Are you ready to crush your fitness goals? Here are four essential items to help you get started. Let's make 2025 your healthiest year yet. First up is a good pair of shoes. Whether you're walking, jogging, or exercising at home, proper footwear is essential for preventing injury and helping you to stay comfortable. My favorite brands are Brooks and Asics. They're durable and comfortable. Next up, a stability ball. It's perfect for core workouts, stretches, and even as an alternative to a chair. It's versatile and a great addition to your fitness routine. Resistance bands are my go to for strength training. They're lightweight, portable, and come in a variety of different styles and resistance levels. This makes them perfect no matter your fitness level. You just pick the one that's right for you. A yoga mat isn't just for yoga. You can use it for core exercises, stretching, or exercises on the floor. Anytime you need to be comfortable and stable, a yoga mat is perfect. Plus, it's easy to roll up and store. All of these items are great investments to help you stick to your New Year's resolutions. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.